Today we're learning about how to solve a quadratic equation in standard form using the quadratic formula. When you have a quadratic equation in standard form like this, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then we can find x by using a, b, and c and substituting them into this quadratic formula right here. It looks complicated and it takes some practice getting used to, but it's simple. By just using a, b, and c and substituting them into there, we can find the value of x. No need to complete the square and no need to factor. Here's our first example. We have a quadratic equation, x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals 0. It's in standard form, so if I can identify a, b, and c, I can plug those into the quadratic formula and simplify and solve. Here we can see that a is an understood 1, b is -7, and c is -8. So the quadratic formula is x equals negative b, which means the opposite of b, or the opposite of -7, which is +7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so I'm going to take that -7 and square it, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is -8. All divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Now I have all the numbers in there, no variables I even need to worry about. I just need to simplify using order of operations. So I'm going to start by working inside the radical. I'm going to keep my 7 plus or minus, and I'm going to simplify inside the radical. I can square -7 squared. -7 times -7 is +49. I can simplify 4 times 1 times -8, which is -32, or since it's a -4 times 1 times 8, that's +32. And all of that is going to be over 2 times 1, which is 2. Now I can simplify under the radical further by adding 49 and 32. 49 plus 32 is 81. Keep rewriting everything else. Now, I can be finished here if 81 can't be reduced, if the square root of 81 is as simple as it gets, but actually we can take the square root of 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So I can rewrite this as 7 plus or minus 9 over 2. And now I can write this as 7 plus 9 over 2 and 7 minus 9 over 2. 7 plus 9 is 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And 7 minus 9 is -2 divided by 2, which is -1. And so all of that, by the way, is equal to x. X is equal to both of those. X is equal to both of those. And x is equal to 8 and -1.